Let's start now. Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Today I will talk about my project. Firstly, I will introduce my project briefly. Then I will show the project structure. Finally, I will demonstrate my project manually. Now let's go into the first part, introduction. The topic of my project is scraping Twitter data and sentimental analysis on what people think about Donald Trump in Australia and USA. As for the method, I made an integrated system based on Python. In this system, I use two methods to collect data. First is Stream API, and second is REST API, provided by Twitter development platform. Moreover, some useful tools such as Tweepy, which is a third-party framework of Twitter API, and TextBlob, which make sentimental analysis easily, are used in this project. As for database, I use CouchDB to store all collected data, and my integrated system has been deployed on Nectar Cloud. Also, I will use some local resources as supplementary. And the result, more than 2.5 million tweets from USA and more than 0.3 million tweets from Australia. By the way, all the results from a series of sentimental analyses will be shown by charts in my final report and presentation. Now let's go into the second part, the project structures. From the picture shown on the page, I have an instance placed as a row as database. Besides, with help of localhost, I have 6 instances which can collect tweets from Twitter and store them to database at the same time. As for the detailed version of structure, you can see the chart shown on this page. Firstly, Tweepy make a channel to collect data from Twitter, the streaming API and REST API. And then, the program running on the virtual machine, provided by Netcare Cloud, will start to collect data. After processed by TextBlob, all tweets will be stored in remote CouchDB server, and the local CouchDB server will ask for replication at the same time, which can copy data from remote server to localhost. Next, there is a classifier which can get data from CouchDB, and then it will analyze the data and record all results into several CSV files. Finally, data visualization will be done by an online tool, Charts. Now, let's go into the third page. Third part, demonstration. As for the program demonstration, firstly, I will introduce an useful SSH client software, the Sharecraft. By using this tool, I can easily access to my cloud instance. Now I will log in all instances as well as the local host. Since these instances are deployed by SH files, which can help the empty instance to install some useful softwares. And I put the commands to start my program into the SH file as well. So when I compare this SH file, the program will start to work at the end. You will see the program are running soon. As for the local host, I will enter the commands to run my program manually. Now let's go to the remote server page to see what happened now. You can see the amount of tweets in both databases are continually increasing. Now we are going to see how the classifier works. There are 10 functions relative to different search targets. Because of time limits, I will only show the first ability. I will type relevant command to terminate to run the program. After get all CSV files, I will use an online tool, charts, to finish the data visualization. Here is the page. I have all charts are made based on the information extract from the collect data. Okay, this is all I have done for this project. Thank you for your watching.